Hey everyone, so I'm going to do the second look. I'm going to do the second look with the Game Over palette. I want to use these colors right here, so pretty, for a more like neutrally look. I just put orange jumbo pencil. I'm dipping into Clyde and this color is really beautiful. Dang it, just spilled all over my face. It's a little bit chunky because it's got so much shimmer, like a ton, like chunkiness went on my brush. But this is really a beautiful, beautiful, frosty, shimmery orange color. Then I'm gonna dip into that nice soft brown. Definitely picked up that orange. And taking my Waka Waka brush and dipping it into that gorgeous frosty color. It's like a, sometimes it looks white and then sometimes it looks cream. Wow, these are so pigmented. It took me like 3 days to clean off the last makeup look I did with this, and I put base and primer. Alright, let me finish my makeup and I'll be right back. Hey everyone, so this is the finished look. So I want to talk to you a little bit about what I did. So I used the bronzer beads as a contour. Big mistake. It is so warm in color. At first I forgot to use my Waka Waka brush, okay? So so I used my contour brush, and at first it was really dark, and then I noticed it was getting like a redder and redder. It's just very, very, this is definitely for bronzing, not for contouring. It comes out really, really red. And then I did my nose. Oh my goodness. I don't even know if it's showing because I tried to tone it down. So I used it to contour my nose, and you can see how strong that line is. Very strong, red, dark line. So I should have used this as the contour color. I used this as the blush and that as the highlight. And like last week, like the blush lighter, it was just too warm, too pigmented. So I had to, again, put this over it to soften it. So I think if I had to use this again, I would use this as contour and then this like a blush, and then put this as the highlighter over it, mixed with that color. And then, because my eyes were so warm, I said, let me try Clyde, which is the, the orangey peachy color. But like I said last week, it is so sheer. It was like nothing was coming out of my lips. So I had to put the pink on, which is more opaque, and then I could put the Clyde. This is pinky, and this is Clyde. And I had to put that over it to warm it up. So anyway, yeah, I forgot to use this. I'm so upset about that, but it's okay. So that concludes my Pac-Man.